Hey sneaker fam, what's poppin'? It's FUNKYLACE, back again with another deep dive into the rich tapestry of sneaker history. If you love hearing the untold stories behind your favorite kicks, hit that subscribe button, like this video, and ring that notification bell so you never miss an episode. Alright, enough with the intro, let's get straight into it. Today we're putting the spotlight on a 90s classic, the Nike Air Pippen 1. This shoe is a stellar blend of style and performance, just like the man it was designed for, the one and only Scottie Pippen. Nike and Pippen first teamed up for this signature model in 1997. A big year, right? This was the same year Pippen and the Bulls clinched their 5th NBA championship. It was also the first time Pippen had his own signature sneaker, showing his importance in the world of basketball and sneaker culture. But what makes the Air Pippen 1 so unique? First off, let's talk about its designer, Aaron Cooper. Now, Cooper wasn't just any sneaker designer. This guy had already worked with legends like Ken Griffey Jr., so he knew a thing or two about crafting performance shoes that could handle the heat of the game. Cooper took inspiration from Pippen's on-court agility and versatility to design the Air Pippen 1. It boasted a bold, full-length Air Max unit that was a game-changer in comfort and performance, providing players with unmatched cushioning. Talk about feeling like you're walking on air. One of the defining features of the Air Pippen 1 was the wave-like design across the upper. This wasn't just for aesthetics, though it does make the shoe pretty recognizable. No, this wave design had a purpose. It was intended to mimic Pippen's smooth and fluid style of play on the court. Cool, right? As for collaborations, the Air Pippen 1 has seen a few noteworthy ones. Kith's Ronnie Fieg put his own spin on the classic model in 2017, bringing a fresh, modern look to the iconic silhouette while maintaining its classic 90s vibe. The upper was decked out in animal prints, giving the shoe a new level of luxury. And let's not forget the special edition Air Pippen 1 Chimera, created as part of the Nike's Beast Pack in 2018. Its design was all about mythical creatures, with a unique, eye-catching print that made it a must-have for sneakerheads. Though the exact manufacturing location of the Air Pippen 1 can vary, many of Nike's shoes around this time were produced in factories in China and Vietnam. It's always interesting to think about the journey these shoes have taken to make it to your feet. So there you have it, folks, the lesser-known details of the Nike Air Pippen 1, a shoe that truly encapsulates the essence of the 90s and the style of a basketball legend. Before you bounce, remember to smash that like button if you enjoyed the video and hit subscribe to join the FUNKYLACE family. And don't forget to tap that bell icon so you'll always be the first to lace up with our latest sneaker history deep dives. Until next time, keep it funky, sneaker fam.